Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's go to the negative form. So, he want to learn English. How can we put it in the negative form? Some students write, he not want to learn English. It's not correct. Some students write, he isn't want to learn English. It isn't correct. Let's see the correct answer. So when we have he and we have a verb, so we need to use doesn't in the negative form. He doesn't want to learn English. If you write he don't want to learn English, it's not correct. So he isn't is not correct. He don't is not correct. He aren't is not correct. So the correct answer is he doesn't want to learn English. Number 2, she go to the gym every day. So the same answers. If we say she isn't, she don't, it's not correct. Or she not go, it's not correct. So the correct answer, she doesn't go to the gym every day. Alison watch TV in the evening. If you write Alison isn't watch, don't watch, aren't watch, not watch, it's not correct. So Alison doesn't watch TV in the evening. I will explain why. Jackson misses his family very much. If you write Jackson isn't, don't, aren't, isn't, not, they are not correct. The correct answer is doesn't miss his family very much. Now I explain to you the answer why we put doesn't in the negative form. So when we have verbs, for example, want, go, speak, travel, so these normal verbs, so always in the negative form with he, she, it, we put doesn't.